Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Venmo with a bank account. So first, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. I cannot log in since I'm not in the US at the moment. So other than that, all you need to do just go and log in into your account. Once you logged in, of course, now we would like to set up a Venmo with our bank accounts. That means linking or adding your bank card. So to add your bank card to Venmo profile, of course, on the computer, you can simply just click here. And if you're already logged in, they'll take you right away into the page where you can simply add your card. But if you're not, or if you're on the phone, you can simply click on the Me tab. You'll find it normally at the bottom right corner, as you can see right here. Once you go and do that, you can go to the wallet section, scroll down for banking cards, then swipe left, then tap on add the bank or card. Then select your preferred verification methods. There are few important things to keep in mind. To add your payments method, do not enter the check number that appears after your account number. This can cause transfer to fail or be rejected by your bank. When you add your bank account to Venmo manually, you will send some micro transfers to your bank account and withdraw them to verify ownership. These will each be $1 or less. To avoid any overdrafts or other bank fees, make sure you have at least $2 in your bank account. And once you add the bank account to Venmo, I strongly recommend you to verify it before initiating any transfers. Venmo is not responsible for a lost bank transfers as a result of incorrect bank credentials, and payments funded by credit cards are subject to our standard 3% fees. Making purchases from authorized merchants does not occur or a Venmo transaction fee, even if you use a credit card. Some credit card providers also charge card cash advanced fees, possibly including additional dollar amounts or percentage rates, in addition to other possible cash advanced service fees, including a higher APR. And if you use your credit card to make payments to friends on Venmo. Of course, how many cards you can add to Venmo. The fourth card rolling limits means once you added a card to Venmo, it will count against your card limits for 6 months, even if you delete it. So card applies to the fourth card limit. So basically, we have four card limits, and yeah, that should be normally it. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.